In this video, I'm going to show you how to make menu navigation in Webflow. So the first thing that you'll need to do is go over to your site. And once you've opened up your site, all you need to do is add uh, a section. And once you have a section, click on the section and hover over, and you will see a plus icon right here. So click on the plus icon and it will ask you to add a layout, or you can just click on the add elements right here and click on layout. So if you click on the add layout button, you can choose from the menu navigations that Webflow has for you. So they only have three examples or three templates, and you can choose from these three. So for example, I'll choose the nav bar where the logo is center, and there you have it. You can also add more if you want to choose. So for example, we'll add another one. Let's just click on the same button on the section and click on navbar logo left. So there are only three examples. So just choose which one do you want and just add it to your page. And that's about it. That's how to make menu navigation in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.